Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Bloom Investing App tutorial. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the Bloom Investing app is an innovative platform designed specifically for teenagers who want to start their investing journey. Unlike the outdated custodial accounts of the past, Bloom provides an easy-to-use interface, educational resources, and real investment opportunities for teens with parental oversight. Now, you might be asking here, why Bloom? So, investing as a teenager used to be challenging due to the need for parental involvement and clunky financial tools, but Bloom solved these problems. So first is the simplify the process of opening an account with parental approval, offering educational resources tailored for young investors, and enabling real investments in stocks and ETFs with minimal amounts. Now, how do you get started with Bloom? So first is you need to sign up. So you want to download the Bloom app here, create an account by entering your name, phone number, and your date of birth. Now, teens will be prompted to invite a parent to set up their part of the account. And also, parents receive a text to complete their account setup. Now, how do you activate your account? Now, once parent account is linked, the teen can access the app's full features. So, link a bank account or to fund the investment app. Now, by the way, you need to verify a few things about yourself. So, you need to verify your phone number. So, just follow the on-screen steps. So, there are going to be a lot of features that you could access within the app itself. So, there are, like, for example, learning menus, which in this case, you can access the variety of educational modules and quizzes. Now, in this case, as you can see, there are 4 menus here. So we have Home, Discover, Learn, and Account. So for the Learn section itself, this is where in this case, you can start learning about investing. So honestly, this is going to be one of the most important feature here that you can access here on the Bloom app. Now, in this case, what are the things that you could actually do here? So another thing that you could access here is going to be the Discover page. Now, by the way, the home page is just basically a compilation, or in this case, a quick access section for the features within the app itself. But in this case, what is the Discover section or Discovery section? So in this case, you can browse available investments here, including popular stocks and ETFs. So you can also view detailed information about each stock, such as performance charts, risk ratings, and key statistics. And also they have a time machine feature, so you can see how much investment would be worth today if purchased in the past. And also you can understand the power of early investing here. And also, how do you start buying stocks here? So in this case, you want to select which stock that you want to buy. So in this case, you can review its data. So just click on the buy option you see at the very bottom of your screen. Now, if the parental account, or in this case, parental approval is pending, remind your parents to complete their setup. Also, invest in fractional shares with as little as $1, making investing accessible even on a small budget. Now, Bloom is an exceptional tool for teenagers eager to learn about investing. It's so super easy, user-friendly design combined with robust educational content and real investing capabilities make it a standout platform whether you're a teen or a parent. Bloom offers a safe, engaging, and effective way to build financial literacy and start investing early. Plus, it's completely free to use, making easy choice for young investors and their families. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.